I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in the PX4 by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. In order to access the batteries on this unit, you're going to want to take the seat off. I would recommend a second person because this seat can be heavy, especially if you get one of the larger seats. But if you're going to do it by yourself, we're going to go ahead and fold the seat down, and then the seat just lifts straight up. You don't have to do any handles or anything, but like I said, it is heavy. It might take a couple attempts, but we are going to lift it straight up. And then set it on the ground just like that. Now we're going to remove this battery cover right here. There is 2 screws we're going to loosen. If they are really tight, you can use a flathead to kind of break that seal. Then this pops out, and this exposes your batteries. Now we have access to both batteries. When you are replacing batteries in this unit, it is recommended to replace both at the same time. They both will go bad at about the same rate. But I'm going to start by removing, I'm just going to do one battery for now, but like I said, you're going to do both. So I'm going to start by removing the straps that are holding it in. We're going to unplug the battery, and we're going to lift it out. Here is your battery. This unit contains 75 amp hour batteries. We do sell batteries. We ship them all across the US. If you need batteries, give us a call, or I should have a link in the description to order these batteries. Like I said, if you do need batteries, we do sell them. So now I'm going to take this cable off of the old battery. So these are recessed posts. They take a 10mm wrench. We're just going to loosen this. Then we'll take our terminal off. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to put our cables on the new batteries. I do want to say that these are recessed post batteries, meaning that the posts go into the battery. If you order batteries from us or from a lot of other suppliers, you might have flag post batteries, which I'll show a picture up in the corner in an overlay. But essentially you'll have these posts that go up, and you'll have a bolt that goes through the posts. So it mounts a little differently, but we can still use these cables. Basically, you would put this through the post, attach the correct one over, then you'll have a nut, and sometimes like a lock nut as well, or a lock washer, tight to the post, and then that's how it would attach. But you also might get these recessed posts again. That is what it comes with. Both types of batteries will fit in this unit. They are the correct batteries if you see that. So these are the exact same way as how we took them out. Make sure you're doing red to red, so you're positive to positive, and black to black, negative to negative. And like I said, this takes a 10mm wrench. If you do get the flag post terminal like this, it's usually a 13mm wrench. I have seen 14mm, but it's usually 13. Now we'll just tighten these up. Make sure they are good and tight. You do not want them wiggling around. Since this is an off-road scooter, you don't want these coming disconnected. They're both good and tight. Put your terminal covers back on, and now we're good to put this back in the unit. Now we're going to load the battery back in. We're going to make sure these straps are on the outside like this. None of them run underneath the battery. We're going to drop the battery in, making sure they're out of the way. Bring the strap over. You want this sitting right about here. You can see the other one as an example. And we'll pull this end tight through here. Then it snaps down at the base. From there, we're just going to plug our plug back in. There we go. Remember, we're going to do both batteries. I showed you one, but we're going to do both. Now we're going to put our cover back on. Goes on there like that. And then you want to line up these screw holes. There's one on each side. We'll tighten those up. Then we'll put our seat back on. Now we're going to put the seat back on. Once again, I strongly recommend a second person for this portion. It's a heavy seat. It's really hard to line up, really hard to see. You kind of have to tilt it towards you. I will show you, but I would just recommend a second person for this. There we go. So that is how you install new batteries into your PX4. Just a reminder, these are 75 amp batteries. We do sell these batteries. We ship them all across the country. Just give us a call. As far as changing batteries goes, batteries in these units last about 2 to 3 years on average, sometimes a lot longer. Or if you don't use your unit and you don't charge it, you just let it sit in like a garage. I've seen batteries die in 6 months or so. So if that's your case, it might be the batteries is the reason your scooter is not turning on or charging. But once again, this has been how to change the batteries in the PX4 by Pride Mobility. If you like this unit or you want to order batteries or you just have any questions, just give us a call. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.